commander and ground teams. On the ATGS workstation is a list of incoming assets, their status, and ETA. The ATGS begins coordinating with the ground teams. The ground crew chiefs use their handheld tablets to mark where drops are needed, share this information with the ATGS over the network, and confirm by voice. The ATGS assigns targets to the air tankers via the network. Flight paths to targets, drop points, and locations of nearby ground teams are then sent to the air tankers, where the pilots can see the information in their head-up display. Drones and AI technology trained in wildland firefighting can monitor many data streams and flag increasing risk indicators. These decision support tools can help wildland firefighters make safe, effective decisions quickly. Drones and AI, utilizing a local tactical network, can share this information to the entire response team, building and maintaining the common operating picture in real time. As aerial and ground assets enter the area, they automatically join the network. Their ID, position, intent, capabilities, and resources are integrated into the COP and made available to all responders. The ATGS, coordinating with the IC and ground teams, can designate drop points, which are shared in the COP. The air tanker pilots see approach routes and drop points in their HUD. This future concept of operations can become reality with NASA's Advanced Capabilities for Emergency Response Operations project, ACERO.